Good morning. Today is clean up the truck a bit day, like a chore day. Been wanting to get to this cab of this truck for a while. Right here I've got my cooler, and it's hasn't been cleaned in a while. It's pretty yucky. So let's get started over here first. Let me show you. All right, there's the cooler. I had some corn husks in there, some other stuff. Just some slime building up everywhere. So let's just get this cooler cleaned out first. All right, I got it wiped out of the yucky stuff. Just use some disinfectant wipes. Sure is nice to have an extra cooler refrigerator when you go shopping. You have some extra space. Normally I leave my drinks out here so they're not taking up space in the refrigerator. Let's go ahead and put this all back together. Just making sure all the locks stay lubed so they're not binding. This lock stuff here, I think I got it at the Harbor Freight. It's been really good. Alright, some frozen lasagna for dinner. And we got it going into the oven right there. There it is. Alright, one last look at our campsite. Site 28 at Colt Creek Campground. You can see how far away that neighbor is. Been staying in a tent. You can see how wide and big L-shaped this space is. There's all the hookups. The site was really level. I didn't have to do any leveling. There's the trailer Phoenix ready to pull out. And just in all fairness, on the other side is the other neighbor. These are beautiful campsites. Beautiful campsites. Let's take a look. I'm gonna walk around before towing. Everything's good. We gotta go dump the tanks first. Look back at the campsite. Beautiful, beautiful sights. We'll be back. And here's this side right here. And here's our official checking out today, the 16th. Oh, I've been saying site 28. We're on site 29. Site 29. Always a good shot, showing the dumping. God, this trailer has a huge black tank. I think 35 gallons off the top of my head. And about 40 gallons on the gray. I'll put corrections in the title there if I messed up on that.